So this is the live sales dashboard that I have created from the sales data present in Google Sheet. As you can see, this dashboard has a lot of slicers, a lot of KPIs and a lot of visuals related to sales, and this dashboard is live connected to Google Sheet data. So whenever someone enters or changes some data, it will directly reflect in this dashboard. I have provided the exact prompt from which we can develop this dashboard right in Google Sheet. So I will provide that prompt in description, but in case your data is something different from this raw data, you can always ping me in the comment section and I will get back and resolve your doubt, be it the prompt doubt on or how to use AI or how to provide feedback. I will resolve all the doubts completely free. So let's get started. Let's create and let's teach you how you can create a completely professional looking dashboard in just 5 minutes. So I have opened the sales data that I have. This is a sample sales data with fields like order ID, order date, reason of sale, country of sale, sales channel like direct sales, retail sales, online store, then customer segment, then product category, then product name, then sales rep, then unit sold, and then unit price in dollars, then revenue in dollars, and then profit in dollars. So this is a normal sales data, but you can have any kind of data from sales or in fact from some other kind of data like finance, HR, operational, or some data from Google Form or your personal productivity data that you are tracking. Now let's learn how to create interactive live dashboard as a separate page in this Google Sheet directly by using Gemini AI. So first, we need to click on Ask Gemini logo at top right of the screen. Once we click here, it will show an interface where you can type prompt and get the dashboard created. Now, let's open the Word where I have stored the single prompt that we can use to create this dashboard. I will provide you this prompt in the description of the video. So let's just copy it. Now let's paste that prompt here and click on submit. So now it will take some time to create this dashboard. So give some time, and the good thing is that you can also provide your feedback if you want some other kind of visual or some other kind of KPI or some monthly trend. You can further ask Gemini and it will modify the dashboard as per your needs. So it will take some time, like a minute or two, and then it will give you full dashboard in this particular Google Sheet only by creating a new tab. So it's been around 2 to 3 minutes and our dashboard is ready. It has all the KPIs and the filters above, but the filters are overlapping with the KPI, and it has monthly trends, then geographic performance, then sales rep leaderboard, and product performance and market segmentation. The best part with this dashboard is that whenever someone updates the data in the sample sales data tab, it will automatically reflect in this calc data tab and it will propagate to the dashboard tab. So now we can provide some feedback to Gemini to get it corrected, like the overlapping of slicers with the KPI. So let's write the KPIs are overlapping with the slicers. Can you check and correct the positions? So it will again go back and redevelop the dashboard, and we can check if it is aligning with our expectation or not. So that is how you can create a live dashboard in Google Sheet from the data in Google Sheet. This is very helpful. It is a very new feature, and people can use it for any kind of data like personal data,